Hey guys, Wei here, and Apple just launched the new update for the AirPods Pros, which supports for spatial audio, so like 3 audio and quick switching. So if you go from your iPhone to your iPad or your Mac, your AirPods will just switch automatically. I can English so well. Anyway, it'll switch like in an instant, so like you can jump around. Anyway, obviously this only works for Apple devices, so if you've got AirPods Pros and you use a Samsung device or any other Android devices, it's not gonna work, obviously. But yeah, now they updated that. But the big update, which everyone has been waiting for, if you own AirPods Pros, you've been waiting for this for like so long, is spatial audio, or 3D audio, I think it's called that. There's another name for it. So if you're listening to music and your sound source is right in front of you, so if I'm listening to my iPad right now, if I turn my head either left or right, the sound source will stay the same. And this audio just makes it feel 3D, like it comes from the top, the sides, the back, but your sound source stays the same. So if I turn my head to the right, to my left, or to my right, the sound, my music is still gonna come from the front. That's pretty much it. And I'm just reading here because it's a new thing for AirPods Pros users. So let me just put them in. Put my left one in. So like it's really trippy. I've got to actually say it's really trippy. See, look, now my AirPods Pros are connected to my AirPods Pros are connected to my Mac, my iPad, and I don't know why. It's just turned on. Oh my god, this is so trippy. But yeah, so now that it's allowed, it's pretty cool. I've got to actually say it's pretty cool, but it's trippy at the same time because you're so immersed in your music. Cause it's coming from everywhere. It's coming from top, everywhere. Sometimes bottom, I guess. Like if I'm on music, if I'm listening to like bass heavy music, I can like sort of feel it coming from the bottom when the bass like drops or something like that. It's super trippy, but it's pretty cool at the same time. It's like trippy and mind-blowing at the same time. It's just, yeah, I don't know how to do it. And I believe the quick switching feature, so like switching between devices, I believe it also is also coming to the AirPods 2nd gen. Just the original ones, but the 2nd gen. Yeah, but not the spatial audio. So I'm sorry to say about all this. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry for those AirPods and AirPods 2 users. Yeah, but yeah, it's still a pretty good thing. I'm still yet to try it. I don't know if it actually improves sound quality. Like a lot of people are saying that Dolby Atmos helps it. Like if your movie or your TV show supports Dolby or Atmos, it improves the sound quality. But yeah, I'm still gonna try that out. At the moment, listening to music on it, it's pretty cool. I've got to say that. I hope. Well, looking since Apple launch is coming out, what, tomorrow morning. It's like real early for me here in Brisbane. It's like 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Yeah, so it's gotta be a bit off. Yeah, but yeah, I'm really keen to watch it because I know the new. Well, it's still a bit dodgy, but I know a lot of new products are coming out. iPhone apparently is coming out in October, not this coming launch. But maybe the AirPods Studios will come up. Those that look like Beats. I don't know if I'll get it because if it's on ears like the Beats solo lineup, I'm not getting that because we all know on-ear headphones are terrible. Yeah, they're not the best. Not good for noise cancelling. But if they're around ears like the Beats Studios, the Quiet Comfort, or the new what WH-1000XM4s. I think is that one, the Mark 4s. If they're like that, yeah, I might drop the cash. I don't know. I still like these AirPods Pros though. They're really nice. And now that spatial audio and quick switching, auto switching, it's coming. Well, has dropped, has came. It's bound to have further improvements when iOS 14, or the new iOS, or the new operating systems for Mac, TV, iPad, iPhone, watch. When all those drop, I'm gonna say it's actually gonna improve the sound quality. A lot of things is definitely gonna be improved. Maybe the spatial audio will be improved, but until then, we'll have to try out on beta first. So yeah, I'll probably check in maybe tonight if everything's working fine. Yeah, I'll drop another video. I'm nearly at 10 minutes. Recording time, I'm nearly at 10 minutes now. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys up to date when the new Apple launch event drops. I'm gonna keep you guys up to date. It's gonna be great. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm trying out a new mic, by the way. I'm not gonna say what mic it is. I'm gonna keep this as a surprise. Yeah. Is it sounding better than all my past videos? I hope so, because it's pretty good. I heard that this mic's compares to like big mic companies. I mean, yeah. I hope it's better. I just kicked the table. Yeah. I hope everything's doing well for you guys. I don't know wherever you guys are. I just reached 10 minutes. I know where you guys are. I'm hoping you guys in the US are doing, hopefully doing great. If you're from the Southeast Coast, I've heard that you guys got hit by, I think I said cyclone, a hurricane. I don't know, whatever it's called. And you guys over in California, I want to say I feel pain, but I'm a bit far. Well, Brisbane has had a few close calls. I know Gold Coast did. But yeah, we sort of feel your pain down in Australia. We had all these issues, 2019 and 2020, bushfires. Yeah. I hope you guys are doing great, and I know Indians out there, you guys aren't doing the best either with the coronavirus saga. Yeah, 2020 hasn't been our line. Hasn't been the best year. Well, hope you guys are doing great. And I might see you guys maybe tomorrow or the day after, or sometime. When I get to look and watch and do more research about all the launch and what everything's gonna do, and maybe the new OS. I'll probably talk about the new OS. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping it's gonna drop like maybe end of this week or start of next week, sometime next week. The new OSs, because it's ever since they launched it last year, I downloaded it instantly, and my battery's at 12% on my camera. By the way, are you guys liking this video? Are you guys liking the quality? I don't know, because yeah, the new Hero 9 is coming out, and now I'm filming on my Hero 8 Black. I don't know why, but yeah, I mainly use this for like mountain biking. I'm still bound to like try that out. Well, post it on YouTube. I've tried it out. It looks pretty good. But when I connect my phone, my 11 Pro Max, to my GoPro Vidi app, look, it just switched to my iPhone. Wow, fancy. Anyway, if I connect that and I look through that with my phone as like a viewfinder, doesn't look the best. It looks like really, I kind of want to say grainy, but it's actually not grainy. It's like, mushy up, you know. It's not smooth. Yeah, I don't know if it's the app's problem or something. So I'm gonna review this footage. I'm very sorry if it looks all mushy and everything. Yeah, I should have tried this out before, but before the update, I just update this morning, my GoPro this morning. But yesterday when I was mountain biking on this exact GoPro, it looked crispy sharp. I sent it to my friend because obviously mountain bikers send a lot of footage when you do tricks. But yeah, I sent it to my friend, he likes it. It looks crispy clear, nice and sharp with that hyper smooth 2.0 thing. Yeah, but kind of like, yeah, I don't know. Hope the sound quality is great because I'm trying a new mic. I might. I'm little, like, since I've got this mic now, I know the GoPro's mic is like very good. It's at 7% in my battery. I know the GoPro's built-in mics are very nice, especially when it's like just below the lens. It picks up like every sound that I'm talking to the camera. But I kind of like this cardioid mic as well. It's a nice mic. I've tried it before, but I'm here to try it again. For you guys to tell me. I'll let you guys decide whether it's a good sound or bad sound. Yeah, and then you guys can scream at me going, hey, your audio is terrible. I've got 6% left. Sorry guys, GoPro just died. Yeah, I hope all that footage earlier has been saved. Yeah, but I hope all the footage just now was saved because it was tough. But yeah, GoPro's died now. In fact, I'll just show you. Yep, love the shorty. GoPro Hero 8 Black. This side. Yeah, it's been a great camera. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm in my room right now. It's a mess. I need to clean up. Don't judge. I need to clean up. But yeah, I'll see you guys maybe tonight. I don't know if I'll go live or premiere something. But yeah. See you guys next time. I hate this. I need to fix that up. I need to soften that light. It's actually natural light. It's coming like right back there. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that up one day. I'll fix that up one day. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Smash the like button below or subscribe if you want more content like this. I know it's effort to make this, especially when you're a student at the same time. With all this COVID stuff, it's tough. But yeah, I'll try my best. I don't know what to talk about as a student, but yeah, I'll charge my GoPro up and I'll get ready for tonight maybe. Yeah, subscribe here maybe. My previous videos over up there, I hope, in the card, out the card on maybe on my left here. I keep pointing too low, maybe somewhere here. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.